Welcome to my YouTube channel. Remember to like, share. For those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. All right, a tour of a lifetime. A tour that Bev Brown is present in the spirit, but not in the flesh. As you watch this video, you will understand what I'm talking about. So, hope you enjoy this wonderful tour. I am your pilot, Bev Brown. So just fasten your seatbelt and enjoy this flight with Bev Brown. All right. For those in Jamaica, will enjoy it more than those in foreign land. But let's see how it goes. All right. So just give me your feedback. Put it in the comments. All right. So enjoy your flight as your pilot, Bev Brown, is about to take off. And I'm taking you on a wonderful tour in the spirit, not in the flesh, but just fasten your seatbelt and you'll see what I'm talking about. All right. Yeah, man. And today the rigor was, the answer to your question was Chinese guava. You see how the seed look like the real guava seed, them like our guava, but the difference is they are very small. They look like cherries, but they are Chinese guava. Yeah. And it's not out here. It's not just my cousin alone have that tree out here. Yeah, it's rare out here. So blessing upon blessing. Peace out. Love you guys. Bev Brown said that. Welcome on the flight with Bev Brown. All right.